Today I want to talk about this book and I want to tell you how important knowing your level is and how you can discover what your level is, especially because this is a question a lot of my students ask me. What's my English level? I want to show you a very practical example. So I recently purchased this book and it's a collection of fables by the Grimm's brothers and it's a graded reader, so it should be a bit easier. And it is in German. I don't know if you can see it. This sole page, it took me 3 full days to understand the meaning of, which is truly a lot. I had to use DeepL, Google Translate, Google Lens, and I also had to double check on an actual dictionary. Why? Because this book is too difficult for me. This is an A2 B1 kind of book. What did I learn from this? If it takes me 3 days to understand what one simple page of a very simple fable, 3 days of deep analysis, the text is too difficult for me. I have just started with German. I'm not familiar with the German lexicon. I'm not familiar with the German syntax. So for me, every single word was a challenge. And I'm telling you this because a lot of people struggle to understand what an actual level is. At this moment, I am in reading an A1. So I'm just getting started. I need simple sentences. And as a teacher, I get asked this so frequently after 5 minutes of conversation. What's my level? And I always say, I honestly don't know. You're probably familiar with those tests you see online. Test your English level, test your language level. Those tests are very frequently good when it comes to grammar knowledge. Those tests are testing your grammar. You could end up with a result of, you're a B2, congratulations. Maybe you're very good with grammar, and then you go and you speak with a person and you just don't know what to say. Because maybe your speaking skills don't match your grammar and your theoretical skills. So every aspect of the language, in my opinion, needs a deeper analysis. So yes, I got this book and this is going to be a great book for the future. At the moment, I'm not able to read this. I have tried. And I'm going to recommend one of my most recent videos about reading. If you want to start reading in your language or another language, please go and check it out. Let me know what you think about the topic. I'll read the comments down below. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.